It's always a pleasure to see someone na a master director do his work. So, ayun, natuwa ako natin to see another Park Chan-wook film in the cinemas. Ano kasi, parang ang galing parang ang simple lang talaga nung story. Pero the way na inatake nung director, tsaka nung cinematographer, iba siya eh. Hindi ko ma-explain eh. Parang, kailangan mo siya panoodin. As doon sa ending, parang tama lang siya eh. Na parang, ganun lang ending. Simple lang na, ganun lang. So, pasok na pasok. Ito yata yung may pinaka, okay, correct me if I'm wrong, pero ito yung yata yung napanood yung pinaka tumawa ko. As in, kasi yung elements niya ng comedy, yung pagka-absurd ng pelikula, nakakatuwa. Pero at the same time, nakaka-relate ka dun sa characters. October 29, 2025, showing ang No Other Choice in cinemas, and you have to watch it because it's by Direct Park Chan-wook, a real master. So, nood po kayo.